How to use garlic and aloe vera for acne. The glycoproteins present in aloe vera reduce the inflammation, irritation and redness. It stimulates healthy growth of skin cells. Peel, crush, and squeeze 3 to 5 garlic cloves to extract its juice. Mix juice with 2 teaspoons fresh aloe vera gel or juice. Using fingertips, gently massage the mixture on the skin. Leave it on for 15 minutes, rinse with water, and pat dry. Repeat the process daily. Process 2, crush 2 to 3 garlic cloves and add it to half cup of water. After 5 minutes, add a teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Apply it on the pimples affected areas and leave it on until it dries. Rinse with water and pat dry. Repeat the process daily. Garlic exfoliates the dead skin cells and removes the top layer of the scarred tissues. It also removes any bacteria or excess oil on the skin. Wash the face with mild cleanser and warm water. Pat dry. Grate 2 garlic cloves and mix it with water. Apply the mixture on the acne-affected areas of the skin. Massage it gently for few minutes. Wash with warm water after 5 minutes. Crush 2 more garlic cloves and add 2 teaspoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix well and apply on the acne-affected skin areas. Leave it on for 20 to 25 minutes before washing off with warm water. Rinse it immediately if you get a stinging sensation. Finally, apply aloe vera to avoid the aggravation of acne while moisturizing and hydrating the skin. Repeat the process regularly.